Ever wondered what the ideal diet for seniors might look like? Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining health and vitality in our golden years. This video will explore essential nutrients and their significance for seniors. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of nutritional needs for seniors. So, what nutrients should seniors pay particular attention to? Well, let's start with protein. Protein is vital for maintaining and repairing body tissues, and its importance increases as we age. It helps to keep our muscles strong and our immune systems robust. Next up is fiber. Fiber isn't just about helping things move along in our digestive systems, it also plays a key role in maintaining heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Then we have vitamins and minerals. These are like the spark plugs of our bodies, igniting the energy we need to function. They're crucial for bone health, eye health, and even our mood. But remember, not all vitamins are created equal. For instance, vitamin D and B12 are particularly important for seniors, but let's not forget the importance of hydration. Water is a nutrient too, and it is essential for pretty much every bodily function. Remember, a balanced diet for seniors is about more than just calories, it's about the right nutrients. Enjoying the information so far? Good. We're here to help you navigate the journey to better health. By subscribing, you're signing up for a wealth of educational content that will keep you updated and informed. Don't miss out on our future videos. Hit the subscribe button now. In conclusion, seniors need a well-rounded diet full of key nutrients. Let's take a moment to review what we've learned. Proteins for strength, carbohydrates for energy, healthy fats for brain function, and vitamins for overall wellness. Each nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining health as we age. The right balance of these nutrients can help prevent disease and improve quality of life. Remember, the right diet can make a world of difference for senior health and well-being. Thanks for watching.